More than 2 decades ago, BWT Pearl Water became the #1 choice for millions of people around the globe. A source for silky soft water enjoyment with many-fold benefits in their homes. Pure motivation for us to set the next revolutionary step and push boundaries again towards a sustainable future, redefining the quality and use of local water in buildings worldwide. Welcome to a new era of water treatment. One Pipe Power Pearl Water brings together what belongs together. Softest water and tastiest mineralized water in only one pipe, without any compromise. The world's first tasty soft water, no matter where, in private homes, apartment buildings, hotels, offices, and many more. Benefit from softest pearl water with the BWT Perlamax Deluxe, with proven ion exchange technology since 20 years, brought to perfection for smooth skin, shiny hair, and the softest clothes, for shiny surfaces and limescale-free shower cabins, crystal clear glasses, protection of pipes and household appliances. Our Pearl Water hero and real game changer, the BWT Mineralizer Kitchen Set, turns softest pearl water into tastiest mineralized drinking water. Inspired by nature, enriched with valuable minerals like magnesium, silicate and calcium. Microplastic free and easy to install beneath each and every kitchen tap. Perfect sustainable alternative to bottled water. The BWT One Pipe Power Pearl Water is the revolution in the sanitary water treatment industry. For you and Planet Blue.